Hello everyone and welcome again to our channel. Again and again and again, AIs, they have updates on their platform or websites. Having a platform or a website for an AI for one basic rule, it's good. But looking at the updates, it's something different. And maybe it can improve the work as we have seen with OpenAI. With Manus today, we'll see some updates. And with Gemini View 3, we have already made a video on that. So you need not just to be fixed to the AI itself, but you need also to check the updates. Today, we will go again to Manus AI. We have already two videos in Manus AI, but today we will just check the updates and we will not go for the basic rule, which is already clear in the two videos. So as usual, we'll go for the first hyperlink. Normally we'll go after signing up. We have already done it, but here we will go for the notification. We will check what are the notification. Here it's the standard. Usually we'll have 300 credits, and this is my initial, the 784. It's my initial credits, but 3 daily credit, fresh credit. It will be fresh as usual, and those things we believe you just can look at them if you didn't see Manus earlier. And you can check also here. You can go for the things that you are or you want to explore more, for example for education, for example for data analysis, for example for content creator, productivity, IT and development, whatever. But today we'll just go for notification. So if we go for notification, we will see here the notification. This notification is in May 29, okay, like a few days ago. And earlier we have mentioned this, and I just need, this is what we have mentioned. We have mentioned on the free credit. So also now here we have more 3 updates, but we will just check 2 because we will see why we check 2. So this is, for example, Manus image generation. So from here, just you go and you will see what's the updates. It's almost 1 minute and 20 seconds. So he give just like an empty house or an empty room, and they ask Manus to give something like furniture for the for this room. So they just like they access some website, then they go. So we will explore it ourselves. This is we have already created, for example, a website. We have already created a website. So if you need to amend or to do any editing, you don't need to go back to the website itself and to make from the scratch. No, you just go for your what you have created already, and you just edit, and things will be changed. And here the introducing for Manus slides. Also this I will explain it because a friend of mine asked me what is good thing to make a presentation for himself, but we will explore it. We will not go for this. So here I will just go again. Here I will just put something for Manus, and I will check. I will give him, for example, an office. I will create something, then I will give him, and I will ask him to go for furniture, but I need to do prompt. So I will go for any AI, and I will go a prompt, then we will check. So let me just go back to the new task here, and I will put the prompt here, and we will see. So this is my prompt. Here what I need, for example, like AI office setup. So I need it to be for an AI, and I need to create creative office for small tech startup. I need just almost 6 people, and I need him to access the rating available from online marketplaces, for example, Amazon, eBay, whatever, Walmart, whatever. I need just like to understand. Also, I need detailed product recommendation, and I need him to give me the office design, furniture, and combat. So I give like some detailed, because prompt as detailed as it is better, so the AI can understand your prompt. After almost 30 minutes, he gave me this. Like, this is the process he went. It's very long, almost like 30 minutes on more. then he give me this. So if we go for just here, let me check where I stopped. Yeah, if we go for here and we click previewing, we will see here. So he give me what's needed. This is likable. After he search on the all Amazon, eBay, and IKEA, whatever he check, he gave me what he can see, the best, and he give me the estimated prices, product name, and he gives me also the notes and the prices, total cost, and also the quantity. And he give me, for example, this for furniture, it will be using, for example, 3,000, whatever. Then he go for the hardware. I have problem with my mouse. So here he almost go with 11,400 and somehow. Then if we go, let me try it. And this for comfort and utility. He give the prices and everything, also hygiene and extra. So he mentioned what he see they are the best, and he give me the total. It's 15,000. It depends. Maybe he sees me in United States, so this price is, I can see it somehow costly, but it depends. You can also ask him to go for the minimum, for example, minimum cost. Also, you can delete the things that you don't want. After you agree, you totally agree with the list, you ask him. But what I ask him what's the office look now. So he asked me, he cannot show exactly how the office is right now, but he can generate conceptual image. So I ask him yes, or I reply yes. So I give him the reply and he create this. Then if we go to the image here, we can see I like the image. I mean, I like the furniture. I like the laptops or hardware. Maybe those, they are not good. They are facing the other side, or I don't know how he made them, because here are two chair and this one, and I mean the faces of the laptop or screen. Maybe it's not clear, but I like the image itself, so I believe it's somehow good. So you can, it's not just for an office or for example for a room, but also for your wedding. Maybe you can ask him. So instead of you go for like a wedding planner or designer, you can just give him the room or the space and ask him to do or to give you the best look for that. So now we will go again and we will try to explore the slide in. So I will go for a new task rather than this. I will go for a new task. Then I will give him prompt for the slides, sorry, and the PowerPoint. So we'll see how good it is. Here for the slides, I have uploaded the file, and here I give him the prompt again and again. Making good prompt is very important. If you don't know how to create a prompt, go for ChatGPT and there is a prompt engineer. Just ask him what you want and he will give you a very detailed prompt engineering, a prompt. So at that time you can just copy it and paste it, but you need to just to have a look before you go. So I give him the prompt and I ask him, this is a file. I want him just to make a presentation. So this is the file I want him to make a presentation, is an article, and I need him to give me a detailed one. So we'll see how is it. So I give him also the slide design to just make it very clear. And also I ask him, for example, for 1 or 2 pages, I need a slide for that. For almost 2 pages in my file, I need him to give me, for example, a slide. So we'll go here and we'll see I have just 431 credits. So we'll see how much we can, if we can obtain with these credits or no. Now we are back, and after almost 20 minutes, the Manus takes time. Some people, they say it is not good because it takes time, but to me it's fine to take time, because at that time he will need to go for detailed outcome. So whatever, but we will go here. This is the slides, but here if you just evaluate Manus, you will get 100 credits. So you just go and evaluate accordingly, but we will evaluate after we finish. So here we'll go for the review. Here it's our original paper, which is 2020 22 paper, or pages. And here we'll go for the preview, and also you can go for editing, and we will go for you can just download it normally. We'll be waiting until. So here he started and he mentioned that the authors. So also here he mentioned the arrays of, so we have 25 slides. So this is good one because I asked him for all 2 papers minimum. For 2 papers, he needs to give me 1 slide. Much better if he gives me 1 slide for each paper or each page, sorry. So this also fine. Will be, this is also, I like the imaging. The paper itself, it does not have that much of imaging, but I like his organization of the slide itself. It is informative. You just, we go here, let me just maximize it. So now it's maximized. Here it is the understanding of the keywords. So let me check. Yes, almost the paper itself. Also, what I like here, also he mentioned the references, and this is very good for academic staff, so they can understand also from where they brought the information. So also here the 5 steps search and selection. So because it is literature article, so he mentioned what was the exclusion parameters. So he did it here, fine, nice. It's somehow good one. Also he mentioned how many papers they have finalized for analysis. Still key findings. Here it is the let me just this is AI user groups. So as also mentioned in the paper itself, learning methodology or methods. Research question number 1, he mentioned it here. Also the imaging he gives, this is very good to me. He gives some bars, but here I need just to check this because if we have like figures or numbers or no, we will need to check it here. Also the research question 2, this is somehow good to me, so it can be used for students. Yes, almost he summarized the article. Almost he can, or he succeeded to some good extent to make a presentation, and this is likable. Also here you can do the editing if you want to edit mode, so you can just go, and if you want to just to exit, you will exit from here, and here you need just to have it either PowerPoint or PDF. Convert it to Google Slides, save it to Google Drive. All those are good. Also here, as we said, we can just rate it, then we'll go for 100 credits more. Thank you for today's video. We explained the updates, 2 updates like slides and the images with Manus, and you can go and just explore more potentials of what is Manus, and hopefully with the new videos we'll go and explore more and more with updates of any other AIs. Thank you for today, and see you in the next videos.